Hey everyone, I'm trying something new. If you're new to this channel, I usually make random cycling videos. And recently I got this camera. It's a Sony A6400. Bought it for work. Been working on a video project the past few weeks, and now I'm learning how to take photos with this. And I'm more of a video guy, still learning. I'm learning. Anyway, I'm making this POV video because I think these kind of videos are sort of relaxing. Watching street photographers, exploring a different city. Anyway, here's a crack at it. And I'm out just to get some quick takeout and some quick photos too. By the way, I'm using a Sony 35mm 1.8 OSS lens. So alrighty, there you go, and enjoy the video.
Ayan naman, sige. Dali Sabi yan, kapit ka. Oh, 1, 2. Pa. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay, thank you.